Have I been in and out that fast that the DJI stayed on for 15 minutes on standby and it started up immediately? Way to go, DJI. Now, we talked about cameras before, and we're going to continue a little bit of talk about those cameras. I so much wanted to get an Insta360 ONE X3. I held off because I thought, why do I want a 1/2 inch sensor when it's been out on the market for over a year? And it's got another half a year to 3/4 of a year before their 1 inch comes out. They gotta come out with the 1.1/3, whatever it is, a 1 1/3 camera soon. We're just waiting for GoPro to come out with that Max 2. They're not coming out that fast with one. And maybe when they do come out with it, maybe better software will be with it as well. I had made a purchase last year. It was the Sony ZV-1F, and I also got the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. Oh yeah, I use it all the time, and I use it with the mic, an external mic that is. And when each and every time I turn that camera on, something goes wrong with the zone. It's always set on wide, and it goes down to a zone. It doesn't stay on the wide. It goes back down to the zone. And yeah, I could cancel the tracking when I try to hit the play button. Maybe my fingers are too big. Maybe the camera's got an issue. Maybe that's the way the Sony is. And no one complained about that on the Sony ZV-1. I don't love bokeh, but the bokeh is always there if the autofocus is on, the AFC, and the product showcase is on. I gotten used to it, and I just shoot video, and I don't mind it at all. But you know, that's what the product showcase is about. And yeah, I hear the Pocket 3's got it, but it's not as most powerful like my Sony or any other camera. But I haven't gone to a Pocket 3. I got no use for it, because if I drop it, it's all going to be over. But at least the Osmo Action 4, you drop it, nothing's going to happen. It may just break, just like any other camera. I've been thinking about MPT. Yeah, put my camera there and get rid of it, the Sony ZV-1F. But I put it to better use. I put it down to the studio, and I got my old computer, my laptop set up. And this way, when I do my live streams, at least I have it on there. But I forgot to set the gain mic up there and set another mic up as well. Yeah, when winter sets in, you know, I get things done the way I wanted to. But on that note, yeah, I said a lot, I did a lot, I talked a lot. And I hope to see you on many other videos to come. I'm going to put you away, and I said a lot on this part too, if it made some sense or not. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on another one. Something to do on a rainy day or snowy day is to edit these videos. Have a great day, everyone.